Menteri Ramba Kajala ukan rat ke sangma ula kerensyai, baka sorkar kan yat syakmat ban penlong ya Tamasa u Bryan Adam, hamadan JN Stadium Polo Shillong haga shpau tarik nok pra harja arpusau. Habakran menta ka sengi ka sau tarik nai lur harja arpusau, ukan rat ula ong bakeleng ke perthei laju pedan kam ban penlong Tamasa, hamadan stadium, kat ba kadon ki Tiar ki basuk ban pedan kam, ban Iada na ka jingjot ki Phlang na ka jing Kyrniom jong ki pait ba. Ula ong bakini ki Tiar ki ban sepenan kam ban Iada ya Phlang, an sepenan kam hamadan JN Stadium, kumbalale syaki wei ki jaga ka perthei, kenang bakan omdon ke jingjot ke jingpra ki Phlang ki balathung bat sumar.
I'm happy that you've asked this question. If you look all over the world, not just in India, large stadiums, across the world, whether it's a football stadium or cricket stadium, they're always used in terms of having large gatherings and even concerts. Technologies are available today in the market where the entire natural turf is actually covered by a certain platform. And that platform is there which will ensure that people don't stamp